How to reset your Hilton Honors password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Hilton Honors sign-in page. Here, add your username or Hilton Honors. Then click on Forgot Your Info. Here, you'll find Forgot Your Info. Get a new password on the left side. Simply add your username or Hilton Honors. Then add your mail and press on Submit. After you've pressed on submit in here, mail will be sent. So what you need to do is open Gmail. You'll find Hilton Honors, click on it. Here, scroll down, click on click here. After that, it will lead you to this page. Add your username or Hilton Honors, your email, and then your new password. After you have added your new password, scroll down and click on confirm password. Type in the same password and press on save and continue. After that, your password will be created, and then you can go to the sign in page, add your username or Hilton Honors, and then add your new password and sign into your account. This is how to reset your Hilton Honors password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.